top. TUI Travel CEO Peter Long joins me in the studio now. Peter, good to see you. So you seem to be doing something right where perhaps some of your rivals aren't. You're saying that you're sticking to your targets for this year. Do you expect demand from Europe and particularly from the Nordic countries to continue to hold up the way it has in the climate that we're in now?
I think it will remain quite resilient because the holiday for our customers is a must-have, and unless the circumstances that I may become out of work or under severe financial pressure, it's the last thing that people are going to forego. But we do have headwinds going forward.
Such as?
Well, in terms of the cost of fuel, the weakness of sterling, and what that means in terms of selling prices, which next year will be up about 5%.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, what are you expecting with the cost of fuel? What are your expectations for the year ahead? Do you think that could weigh on earnings significantly going forward? There seems to have been a lot of fluctuation in prices recently.
Well, I'm certainly encouraged by the falling prices that we've seen over the last week, and hopefully that will continue. And it's a lot better than where it was a week ago.
All right. And I'm wondering about your expectations for people taking holidays, because I know that you're saying, listen, it's an essential, it's not something that people are going to cut back on. And when you look at what's going on right now, I mean, the broader picture is that we have a debt crisis, but then we also have job insecurity. Unemployment is high. Taxes are being raised. Do you think people are going to spend as much money at all? And if they do, will they be splurging on holidays?
Well, I mean, we've seen the situation before, and particularly at the Lehman crisis, and again we saw strong demand. I think customers reprioritising what they're spending their money on. They may go for a shorter duration, but they still want to have that main holiday, that main summer holiday, to recharge their batteries and be guaranteed the sunshine.
Now, France, you've seen a little bit of a decline in that market there. Which other European markets are showing signs of faltering that you might be concerned about?
I think outside of France, the UK, in terms of consumer sentiment, is the weakest. And generally across continental Europe, it's been very strong. The weakness in France is the importance of North Africa as destinations.
Yeah, and when you speak about weak consumer sentiment here in the UK, makes me think about the riots that are going on right now. I mean, remarkable scenes of burning buildings, looting, theft, crime being beamed across the globe. This isn't going to help tourism, is it?
No, not at all, in terms of tourism in the UK, and hopefully the situation will get back to normal very quickly.
And Thomas Cook last month gave its third profit warning. We've already spoken about that. Thomas Cook, your biggest rival. Talk to me about how your business is different from your competitor, why you seem to be doing relatively well or much better.
I think the main reason is that we have a very strong brand in Thomson, which has a much broader customer segments, particularly in terms of couples as opposed to families. And we offer much more exclusive holiday products, which differentiates us from our competitor.
All right, so variation is the key. All right, thanks very much indeed. Peter James Long, CEO of TUI Travel.